Good morning, and welcome again. The 23rd of April, the Friday. Right? No, it's Thursday. Yes, oh, it's Friday. Oh my God. Good morning. Um, yeah, let's get it today. Sending that Zoom link. Go. Nice. Good morning, Gulag. Remove all of this for a second. Good morning, good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you, man?
Good, and you?
Pretty good, pretty good. What about you?
Yep. You still in those cells?
Yeah, man. 50%.
I'm looking to get in to enter when it breaks the 15-minute low.
Hmm. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna stay in.
You're good. I think, yeah, like I said, if it breaks 15-minute low, then it's good because
Yeah, then it's okay. Then it's no problem.
you manage risk or no?
Yeah.
I'm sticking to my new rule. It's lose or win. No more trade management. No more risk
Okay.
management this month.
Makes sense.
Trading die? No.
Hey, good morning, Frank. How you doing?
Good, and you?
Very well, thanks. Very well.
I like this
Yeah,
price
just
action on
looking for.
GJ.
Yeah, thank God it ranged in Asian, man. It's been a while.
Yeah, but it shoots are moving now.
And when did you get in? At the close of the 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
I pulled down like 3 pips, and then suddenly just because it first made a top wick and pulled down after, broke the previous low, and all of a sudden just came back up like in a very short amount of time.
Yeah.
Wasn't happy with that at all. $15 just closed bullish, so might take another percentage off. But I do see bearish structure, so I think once the 15 low gets broken, we're gonna be okay. Man, TzRzetHz, just do one.
Hey, Luke, do you want to do a top-down analysis on GJ, bro?
Yeah, I was already starting with it.
Cheers, but
Already removed all the previous ones. Let's put some music first. Yeah. GG, man. Just fuckery every single day.
It is what it is.
Jeez, what it is.
I think when you get buys, if this 1 hour closes back.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Najim probably in a buy. Don't know if he's here.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm getting
Good morning.
Good morning.
Najim,
Here we go.
you're in buys?
Probably.
Yes. Oh, I thought you got in on buys.
For short, like for short term.
Okay.
Waiting for this to close. 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Disappointing me. I thought you were in buys like from
Ba-
480.
Based on 4 hour, like I said, it went down to weak and then
Yep.
go up. Exactly what happening. I just need this for 30 minutes and 1 hour to close. Let's see.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
I just bought some XRP actually today.
Hmm.
Because
Nice.
it retested $1. So I'm like, hey, let's put in a little position.
Morning.
Good
Hello.
morning.
Mr. B, can I ask how we can buy it? I never buy
Oh, XRP?
yes.
I opened a Binance account. It took like 10 seconds, 10 minutes.
What
Binance.
website did you buy from?
I couldn't quite hear you, but it's called Binance.com. I'll put it in the chat.
Great, thank you very much.
Yeah, it's really easy to open an account and whatnot.
I was planning to buy it for a long time to hit $1, which it did today.
Ooh,
Oh,
lag.
okay, nice. Yeah, your microphone is a little, it's
There
got
you
some
go.
feedback.
Yeah, sorry. Thank you anyway. Thank you.
No worries. Happy to help.
Nice to P.
Hello, Frank.
Hello. No more camera. You're shy.
I got camera over here. I'm just a little tired. I'm just a little tired. Let me take off my hoodie, actually. Hold on. All right, here. Yeah. My t-shirt.
What's the t-shirt? No, GJ Killer or something?
No, it's the Embrace the Drawdown one. It's my drawdown t-shirt.
I think it can sum up this week a bit too.
Mhm. But next week, that's when I'm gonna have my GJ Killer hoodie.
Oh yeah, you can take that out the whole week. If
Oh,
we stay
yeah.
under this weekly support.
Oh yeah. The GJ Killer hoodie is coming out.
It is what it is.
Yes, sir. Today, I don't think anybody should trade today. Looking at the news that's coming out for pound, it's a mess. You have like retail sales, and then in between, like Frankfurt Open, you have a crap ton of Euro news, and then towards after London Open, you have again pound news. So there's going to be a clusterfuck of fireworks.
There's a saying like, when they're fearful, we buy, and like when people are buying, we are fearful, like something like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right.
So I want to be in it. I'll probably trade today.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just for me, news. I want to see what it does. Like at 8 o'clock, it's better to not be in a trade.
Mm-hmm.
But after.
Yeah, I think the Frankfurt Open window is okay. You can trade Frankfurt Open, but London Open, oh boy, because you have Euro, a lot of high impact news on the Euro, like one after another. A London Open, so you might see some very crazy stuff.
Yeah, but I don't know. Personally, I'm not a big news kind of trader.
True.
Like, I do look at news to just be a bit more secure. I don't want to be in some weird kind of high impact news.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, the Euro, will maybe affect the pound, but it's
true. Yeah, I don't pay attention to that either, but it can affect the volume. Like you might see price ranging and those kind of things, because banks are going to be waiting for that.
For me, news over what I've seen is it pretty much most of the time I'm not talking NFTs are very volatile, and most of the time just puts in more volume for the to do the initial move that you saw in technical analysis.
True.
Even if you look, a lot of traders actually they don't even really pay attention to news.
Yeah,
very quick scalpers or even intraday. I mean, you could pretty much ignore the news sometimes.
How's Luke doing this morning?
Yeah, pretty good, man.
Pretty tired.
Yeah, I'm fucked.
Yeah, I saw you guys were calling at 11 o'clock last night. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Luke is gonna be tired.
Oh well, I gotta do something right. Yeah, I was looking for this low to be retested once it's kind of close below 500, but it was psych, the wrong number.
You should also take a look at XRP chart. Kind of looks nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Look at the 30-minute. You kind of have a buy confirmation. If candle closes above.
Yeah.
1.72.
6 cents.
Master P XRP scalper.
Yes. The new gold. I put in I got 15 XRPs at $1. So I invested like $15 into XRP just to be in it.
Once it goes to Bitcoin price, you're rich.
Just to get my skin in the game, see what it's about. But I want to average down into my position. I think if it continues dropping, there's going to be great points to add more. With yeah, because you don't really expect it to go to zero. I guess it's already $1. Like it's already rather worthless for it to come down all the way down to zero.
I mean, I don't have anything invested in it, but I do know the lowest point some guys are willing to buy it again, like it's like 0.60. Some guys were looking at that. But like you said, I mean, it's good you like bought some. It could go up now, and after if it comes down, you just add some more.
Yeah, true. SafeMoon isn't on Binance, is it?
No, it's a really weird way to buy it. After you wanna, well, it dipped. I got out and it started dipping after.
Oh,
like
you got out on the dip? But
no, I got out on the top and now it's
okay.
dipped all the way down.
Oh, nice.
Look, if we go towards SafeMoon. Look, see? I got out all the way at 13 and now it's back all the way at 0.5. 50.
Oh, nice.
I got in here at 30.
That's
because you got out.
What? Yeah. All the money is
With
out of
your
the market.
Millions of shares.
There's I can't actually find a chart of this pair. Like on Tradingview, it's not there.
No, me neither.
SafeMoon to the moon.
Yeah. It already went to the moon, bro. If you were in from this level, if you were in from this level right here, you already went to the moon. To be honest with you. Morning, guys. Is Binance safe to use? Read some horror stories on Trustpilot. I use it, so you can just use it. Well, just because I use it doesn't mean it's gonna be good for you, but for me it's good. The only issue I have with Binance is that they always have maintenance on BNB, and that's really annoying. And depositing and withdrawing. That's the only thing I don't like about Binance.
Yeah, I'm looking to just build some kind of position on XRP and Binance, but then I'm gonna move it over to like a ledger, one of those, handheld USB things that stores the crypto for you. Because I don't trust these brokers.
Oh yeah, a friend of mine has that one too. Or this, he used to trade Bitcoin, like big time. Hey. Yo guys, keep it English in the chat, please.
It is what
Look,
it is.
if you go to SafeMoon live charts, okay. Hey Sandra. Let's see. ADUZ. I'll take a look at it soon. Based on GJ, the reason why I think I fucked up is because of the daily right here. The daily, there's nothing to the left, but the problem with the daily is that the daily pretty much closed without a wick. So this, what I explain pretty much every day of the week, is that the next candle's gonna come down, it's gonna create a wick, and then it's gonna go back up. That's just what happened right now.
Did you already take a trade?
Yeah, I already took a sell.
You're in cells?
No.
Oh, sorry, what?
Yeah.
Where did you get it?
Okay.
476.
That makes sense.
But the thing was, what happened was, if you look at probably the 1 minute it's going to show, price went up without a top wick, without a bottom wick. Once started flipping, I got in and started breaking the low, and then I got into like 2 pips profits. I don't give really know how many, and then it's just started to run back up. But the thing was, I think it didn't really surpass this level strong enough yet, and based on the daily time frame, the bottom wick story, what I just said, was stronger. So yeah.
I was looking at that too, but I didn't execute anything. But if I would have, I was looking to execute at the 1 hour low.
Yeah, that's what I missed. I saw that happening too, but missed that.
Yeah.
I saw it happening, but I didn't execute on it.
Yeah. I acknowledged it, but I didn't want to take it that early, and it went like 8.5 pips. Checked it.
Yeah, around that.
Yeah, that's where Raja would have taken it as too. Like I see him taking this kind of trade is his favorite.
Yeah, first it was hanging around this level for a pretty long time, and then once I saw it closing below 500, I was like, okay, give it an opportunity.
Yeah, for me to take a trade, price would have to close below 149.300. Then I'd be interested in taking a trade, because then we can say that daily created the bottom wick, and it's gonna like create a bearish body going down to 149 flat.
Yeah.
So for me, that opportunity would make sense to be in. I'm comfortable with that, despite the news. So
Makes sense. Makes sense. What do you think about gold?
Oh, gold. Oh wait, I have XRP, XAU, USD.
Pretty much
Yeah.
created.
I was looking at it. The daily is weird. It has very little bottom wick, so I kind of expect
Yeah.
the bearish wick to kind of be filled somewhat. So I wanted to see a support formed and then a break of that support.
Exactly, that's what I think.
Yeah, because this situation on the 30-minute, this is a situation where I once took a loss on this, where maybe if Luke goes to the 30-minute, I'll annotate. And look, I know you know this trade too. You have a support here, and this, I guess this candle didn't really close below it, but there was a situation where this candle once closed below this support, and then it faked me out and created support. So we need a fresh support for it, and then a break of that support, and then we can fill like this daily low down there.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. You also see this candle close without a wick. Same story what happened to the daily time frame on GJ. Close without a wick, price comes down and then goes back up. Just fakes you out. The probability of fake outs is very high. That's the same what just happened with the daily time frame on GJ. Even though the wick looks pretty big here, if you compare it to other wicks and I zoom out, there's pretty much no wick. So it came down, and now it's gonna go back up. So yeah, I fucked up myself, but it is what it is. Learn from it. We did find some dope music yesterday.
Yeah, you had some cool music.
Hmm?
You had some cool music. You have to put them back on the Zoom, please.
Oh, it's not on the Zoom. Man's listening here alone. Sorry, man.
Cool, thanks.
I think even though this happened, price might come back up to 800 and then create this resistance to continue moving further down, making higher highs and higher lows. Look,
Yeah, so
listen to Victor Bilak. Listen from Victor Bilak. Okay. Let's take a look. We just got a song from someone. Big.
yeah, I don't know what the others think, but it's maybe a bit too loud on the Zoom.
Loud?
Yeah, I don't know what Master P and the others think.
It's really like I can't put it any lower. So
Oh, yeah?
yeah.
Okay, then maybe the music is.
The volume of the music.
Yeah.
I guess it's a little loud, but it's okay in comparison to your voice.
Okay. Yeah. But I can
But-
see if I can like put it like a little bit less. But
We can lower the volume on our computers.
it's
Yeah,
better.
that's it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, I can't find that song, man. Victor Bill. No, I can't find it. Alright, man.
Oh, that beat's cool.
Yeah. Mhm. Oh, guys, come on. It's impossible, bro. You want me to show you? What's like the name of the song itself?
Oh, we have Jamal. Look, read what Jamal said. It's Ramadan, so I can't listen to music whilst I'm fasting. I'm watching you guys on mute, just watching the analysis.
Oh,
Oh, damn.
I keep it off the music.
You really can't listen to music on Ramadan?
Thought it was like bad words, like maybe like not rap or stuff like that, but I didn't know that. So.
Hey guys,
Yo.
Hey,
Hey,
how's it?
Yeah, pretty good, man.
good and you?
You good? Just looking for a trade. I just got on.
Music is never mentioned in the haram.
Good morning, fellas. Watching from OZ. Damn. Oh my god. Bruv, I don't know what a HNS pattern is, man. Sid,
What a what pattern?
HNS. I got no idea what this man's talking about. The one thing I do know is that cells are probably gonna get into play in this pair because it's making lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low.
Oh, head and shoulder pattern. That's what
Uh,
HNS
Bruv,
stands
I don't know what a head and shoulder pattern is. I know what it means, but I don't look for them.
Yeah, I don't
And shoulders need intel.
I got, that's definitely not my game right there.
I'm a big fan of the head and shoulders pattern, but not the actual head and shoulders pattern, just the market structure behind it. You know,
Okay. Yeah.
but I don't pay attention to head and shoulders or anything.
I never looked at them, to be honest with you.
It's basically the counter trend pattern, where price
Hmm.
creates a support in an uptrend and then breaks that support. It's a break of structure.
Okay.
They often look like head and shoulders. I guess on the daily time frame on GJ, I guess you could sort of call that a head and shoulder. If you want to know what it looks like.
1 second.
Mm.
Trying to get this man's song because he wants
Yeah.
the song.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, but you're probably. I can't search up a song that's not in the free list of YouTube. Otherwise, it's gonna be copyright, man.
Yeah, I think it's a good time to make breakfast.
Yeah.
Make me some too.
Yeah, no problem.
I'd like some cereal.
Yeah. You can have those nice coffees at your office.
Oh yeah.
It's a trade. You get the coffee, and he brings the cereal. Yeah, so you're waiting for pretty much a support to break this support level.
Yeah, that'd be interesting. But there's not clean traffic on the left, so I'm not looking to even trade gold.
Okay.
Yeah. Yesterday. Oh, go ahead.
I'm not a fan of. I'll look at gold. No.
Yeah, today's
Like
not
1
one of
hour.
those. There's nothing decisive. Yesterday, I was just strolling around on Controller FX's Instagram page and actually learned something pretty interesting. He has this concept called aggro days, he calls them, which it stands for like an aggressive day, and it's basically when the daily or a very high time frame, like daily of mainly the daily gives like a confirmation that you take on like a 30-minute or a 15-minute time frame when that situation presents
Guys,
itself.
1 second. I have to go. 1 second. 1 second.
Okay, we got an emergency. So yeah, for the gulag, when you get a situation on the daily that is like something you would trade on the 30-minute, then that's what I guess you call an aggro day, and it's like one of those days where you can go quote unquote extra hard. But extra hard does not mean full margin, guys.
Good morning.
Hi, morning. Is this Michelle or yes, Michelle? Huh.
It's Michelle. Can you give an example, like maybe this week, of what an aggregate day would look like?
Yes, definitely. So the most recent one I see was this Monday. Actually, you could sort of call that an aggro day because this Monday you see that the daily candles, and I can't show it on Luke's chart because Luke is gone, but on Monday you kind of see how the daily candle closed above all those issues to the left, and if that was a 30-minute time frame, you'd expect the next 30-minute candle to go bullish, and that's exactly what the daily did. It went bullish, but in the London session it was pretty tricky to trade because it went down, but there was a pretty nice confirmation on the hourly chart when it closed above the Friday high. Price shut up. Then I guess another example on the daily would be on the 8th April.
Are you looking at DJ or gold?
Oh yeah. Oh sorry. Yes, GJ. Sorry.
All right.
Yeah, I should have mentioned that.
Maybe when he comes back, he can pull it up, but because I want to know exactly what you're saying.
Yo, I'm back. I'm back.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
What are you guys talking about?
So I learned something new yesterday. It's called aggro days. I guess it's
Aggressive days. Yeah.
Yeah, aggressive days, and it's basically. And I already had this in the back of my mind, but now I have a word for it. And it's basically when the daily gives you like a confirmation that you take on a 30-minute, and that happens on the daily. Those days, tend to be extra aggressive, where like price just trends, and you can just take buys or sells the whole day, and everything will work. So like. If you go on the daily, I can give you guys an example, as Michelle was asking for it. A little bit higher on the daily. Yeah, that's perfect. So like a really good example would be over here, like on this daily. Once that daily closed below here, you had clean traffic going like down to here and then here by this engulfing pattern, and this was like a super clean move down. Like that day it was a super clean day because you had clean traffic to the left, so that was an aggro day. And then I guess Monday is a pretty good example of an aggro day too, because the daily closed above this issue over here. And then once we broke this high in New York session, we had a 1 hour closing above this high, and then it just went up. And it was a pretty clean move up. But trading within here, like that's where losses come from. That's where like your profitability goes down the drain.
That's why I stopped trading in it.
Yeah, exactly. I'm going to implement this aggro concept a little bit further.
Bro, this man.
The Static Abe.
What?
Did you read what Static Abe said?
Yeah, I saw it before. I was like, I'm not gonna say much, but just gonna remove that for a second. It's not that, not that nice. I think JJ still has some power to go down, but it's gonna be ugly inside here again. So I'm probably gonna wait for sales below 300. Yeah, below 300, targeting 730, 1730. Wait, what? If we're gonna go further down, because the probability of what I just said was that the candle closed with a small wick, next one wick down and went up. So there's also a probability of buys maybe playing out, especially once we break that 4-hour high. Yeah, or circle, we might range all day. That's a problem. That's a possibility as well.
Hell no, I don't want that range.
I don't, but there's a possibility. There's Mohammed wants some feedback on his chart, Masterpiece. I think it's something. Okay.
From me? Okay.
He came in yesterday, I think, and he, like, you told him some good things, and after he changed it and sent it back. I think it was
nice. Let me see. I think, yeah, the sells make great sense below this low. And yeah, you can get some first buys in here and here. That's exactly what I was looking at too, because this is the 4-hour high over here. So that makes sense to get some buys above this level. But yeah, the range might be an issue, and really safe buys are going to be above here because big range. I guess that's my idea. Who did this chart come from?
Mohammed.
Oh, Mohammed.
Yesterday. Yeah, I'm
I have my runner from yesterday, and they got into buys again. I have sales and buys on GG.
What? What are you doing?
Well, my buys now it's a short term, but if we break above daily, then I will close my runner.
I would think like the safe, like if you, I don't know, it's your opinion and you pressing the button, but if weekly closes under 650, then I think your runner could eat like a lot coming into next week.
Master P look like Keanu Reeves.
That's why I don't want to close it.
Man.
There was another comment in the gulag which really cranked me up. Somebody didn't know the name of the music. He's like, everyone know the name of the music that goes like bam, bam, bam. Please tell it. He actually types in the beat.
You in this one? I know which one is it?
Is this the bam, bam, bam?
No.
No, the first one, I think.
See?
Oh yeah, it's Friday. It's Friday.
Friday then. Saturday, Sunday, what? No, it's
yeah, but
Monday
also
then.
normally on Friday we get. I'm just saying live concerts. I'm
Yep.
just saying
Ricardo, man. Yes, we got Ricardo. Oh, yeah, he puts out the camera. We got live concerts up in this house.
He's coming out.
Did you prepare anything, Ricardo?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Oh,
Ready to rock.
let's go.
Does
Give a
anybody
like
mind?
on the stream.
It's your choice when you want to do it.
All right. I'm going to eat something first.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm bummed about that trade I took in London yesterday.
So what do you take?
The same as you guys. I took it at 28. Yeah, 28.6. But you know what I did? I saw it go down to. Actually, I managed my risk, and then so I closed the trade and with a loss. But then when it dropped, I think it was the second time, I got in again, and then I added to my position at 230. So I got in at 28, and I added like at 21 or something like that.
Okay.
So, and it just stayed there and it didn't do anything. And so, and then it went back up. And so again, I lost that second trade. And then during New York, it went down like a mother.
Yeah, it dropped.
Actually, yeah, it went down not long after, and not long after I got out.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, and I saw that target at what was it? 150.09 or 08 was I was looking at. I mean, it blew right through that, but it's really bummed. But I took a buy this morning at 45.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, 149.45, and I closed at 90% at 63, and then I got stopped out at 50, 149.50. Yeah.
When was it? In the night?
In Asian.
Yeah.
It was the first bullish half hour. Not the first bullish half hour. It was it came down to what, 149.23. Yeah. And then after that there was a small bullish candle, and I took the next one at 45.
Nice.
It looked it looked good, and I was around, hanging around, doing nothing. So I took a trade. Yeah, but I was bummed about that yesterday, and I was thinking about how we manage risk, and I watched Raja manage risk, but the thing is he's trading such huge lots, and like the entry on a scalp is so crucial. Like and particularly if you're sort of a little bit impulsive, like if you went for an impulsive move, I think I got that move last night. It was on an impulse. So that can be tricky. And the funny thing is that I knew, like, at the back of my mind that, like, it was just going to be bearish anyway. I mean, even if it went up 10 pips or 15 pips, it was still overall bearish. There was no bullish momentum in it at all for the last, since the Tuesday high. Yeah. So it's like, it's a case of whether, like you close, 50% after it breaks, that 15-minute candle, or, and so, you're preserving a certain amount, or giving it further room because your bias is, definitely in one direction. And if you're wrong, you're wrong. But I think that means, like for me, it means trading smaller size and letting it breathe more. Because if, you know, there's been a few trades, if I'd let breathe more, then they would have been fine.
Yeah, me too. Or that too.
But with Raja, because he's so precise and so disciplined with his entries, and he doesn't have any, he's gone past the point of he doesn't care if he loses a trade.
Yep.
You know, so he comes back the next day, whereas I still care when I lose a trade.
Yeah, it's all experience, I think.
Yeah, but the precision of scalping for 10 pips is.
You need a good entry constantly.
You need a good entry in a good moment. You need a good time entry as well, not just like a number entry.
Yep.
Your timing has to be so spot on.
Yeah.
Because look at our trade. Look at that trade last night. I mean, you know, half an hour later, it went to the races. Like it dropped like a rock.
Yeah, it's all about knowing when the volume is going to kick in and how different volume times affect the market.
Yeah.
For 10 pips.
I would love to do New York session, but it's just too late for me.
It's going to be midnight, right?
New York opens at 11:30, and when I've got daylight saving, it opens at 1:30 a.m. So, you know.
So, guys, for me, I'm looking for buys. And so my thought process is this 1 hour is holding very good support and made its bottom wick. I do think this one, if it breaks, so the 15-minute resistance, then it should go up. I have the 550 level like very good in mind, but I do think with volume it could break and keep going up. So my bias is stop loss under the 30-minute low that for me is going to be the 1 hour wick to the bottom and also the support. And once it breaks, so the 15-minute high, then I'll be in. At least that's my trade. A bit aggressive, but hey.
Makes sense. Then you expect the 4 hour to have created the bottom wick and to go bullish.
Yeah. So now it's good because it's making its bottom wick on the 15. It's respecting support. So now once it breaks the 15-minute high, then I'll be in. And this time, risk management, trade management is not in my game anymore. So it's 1-to-1 with a runner, and that's it. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win.
Okay, nice.
Yo, thank you for the donation, Oliver. Love you guys. What's the move?
What it is.
Everybody. There's some looking for buys, some looking for sells. So it's personally, I want to follow the trend, but the problem only is that the trend, the daily close, pretty much without a wick. So there could be a probability of buys first now before going down in any way. That's what I'm thinking about. But Frank.
Yeah.
If you, so you're saying you're not gonna like manage that risk anymore, right? But what if you get like 10 pips, 5 pips into profit? What are you gonna do?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's now like I put this new rule for May. So in May, so this is my game plan. In May, I'm focusing on entries. I want very good entries, precise entries, and on the stop loss. And for me, so now what I'm focused on is having a win rate superior to 50%. And that I think is easily obtainable. And because I'm only taking, so I'm TP or stop loss, then it'll be like, I just have to have a higher win rate than 50%.
Okay.
And after what I'm going to do in June is once I can see I'm good with my win rate and that my entries are on point, then I'm going to work with my stop loss, also be in a very good position, because that means that if my stop is good, then my win rate is probably good too. I'll then start looking at my losses and see how I could reduce risk.
Okay. Okay, so it's more like a plan right now.
We've got a man with a plan.
Because
the only thing I don't agree with in that plan is that if you go into good profits, I think you still should manage some risk, because if you're gonna get a full loss after getting full profits, it's not smart, man.
Yeah, but this is my thought process. For me, stop loss is very crucial because that indicates my TP. Like I want a 1-to-1. So if my stop loss is very good, my entry is good, then it's very easy for me to hit TP. And for me, like here, it would be a 8.5 pip stop loss. So 8.5 pip TP is very easy to get if my entry and stop loss in a trade makes sense.
Okay.
Like there's not a lot of like moving around, and like I don't think, it's not like based on the 4 hours, so it can range or do like weird stuff. And so the TP are going to be very small, and that's why, I mean, it's win or lose.
Okay, that's nice. And you're still going 1-to-1?
So yeah, I'll secure, depending on the trade setup, I'll either secure full at 1-to-1, like if it's counter trend or stuff like that, or 90% and leave my runner.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, because it makes sense to not manage risk if your targets are like 2-to-1, because then even with 2-to-1 and a 50% win rate, you're still profitable.
Yeah.
Even if you take full on losses, so that makes sense at that point.
It's more like, I looked at it like risk management for me is like the ultimate, that's what you do when you're very good, like the expert kind of, like the last thing you want to be very good at. And for me is like, if I can already have a good win rate, my entries on point, I can then look back at my losses and see how I could reduce them, and then work from there onto my risk management. And here, like if I work now on my risk management, I would change so many stuff, and it would just be like, it's not an incremental like progress, I feel like.
True, I understand.
Because I went through, I mean, it a bit annoyed me yesterday and the day before, because my trade setups worked in the end, very good, but it's just my over management. Like if I just did this rule, I would have been a nice winning streak.
True. That's what caused me to develop the dynamic risk sort of thing.
Sometimes I do think that I can use like bigger stops, and just let it play out a little bit more. You support here. Well, that would be awesome, Luis. I never heard about it, but let's take a look. Maybe. I think it's a joke, but. Yeah, I support. Man like Lewis, where did that come from? Let me search up things.
When I did the NY stream, some people were just trolling over there. These guys were asking like, "Oh, what are your thoughts on," or like, "What did you think of my recommendation of like fucking?" And then I swear the weirdest thing ever. I probably can't even say it on the stream.
Type it in. No, wait. Type it in on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Well, no, it's Friday. It's Friday, Dean. Let's put that timpani beat thing on, you know. This one is good. Marty WA Frank, what are your thoughts on Vantage FX? Frank.
No, actually, the not bad. Honestly, it's not the worst broker, but I do think there's better.
I do.
And
they're trash.
What I saw for me is client support. They respond to emails, so that's positive. But phone calls, not very good compared to IC markets. Like IC markets, I called them, immediately responded.
The way they respond to emails is rude.
Yeah, and I mean the guy like Advantage can't speak good English. Like I have no like nothing against people like who are foreigners, because I'm a foreigner too. But it's just like if you're working in such a company, your English should be on point.
Yep.
And yeah, withdrawals, I got like multiple like pieces of my withdrawal in my bank account. I mean, I got the whole thing, but it was still very weird and sketchy. And yeah, just the spread is just, I mean, it's not a raw spread, so.
I really hate the support team, to be honest with you.
Like I said, the emails, they respond pretty fast and everything, nothing to say, but just when you call them and I do think if you have a bigger issue, I mean, or like you would want to have somebody on a phone call, and that was just not on point.
It's for me, entire Advantage is off. It's not. Withdrawals take ages.
They're right with mine because I put pressure on them, but.
Yeah, but if you don't, it's gonna take a long time, man. So I would go for IC markets if I was you.
And also, so I had MT4 in the beginning, and I wanted to close my account, and just like I opened the MT5, I wanted to close my MT4. And I was never able to close it. Like it didn't matter because nothing was on it, but it was just like, I mean, I asked you to close it, just close it, please.
I think you want to wait for candle to close below 488 and then take sales down to this level right here, 319, and then further down to this level. This level right here is very important. That's like a daily level, 4-hour level, I mean. But yeah. Your weekly level. For sells and for buys, it's a pretty clean range right here. So I think if you really want to take buys, you want to see support formed and then continue moving further up above this level. But I would rather look into sells because you got this clean candle right here, and if you close below, you could just mirror that clean candle and continue moving further down. Because market structure is here really nice. See higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You don't see really like a lot of issues. So. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, there's a lot of Euro news. You gotta be careful. You do have to be careful about all this right here.
Oh, hold on. This one's copyright, isn't it? That's a Lil Peep tune.
What? No?
Is that from the YouTube library?
Free music, man. Relax.
Oh, okay.
Man, like it's called Silky Smooth. This is a sick song, you know.
Oh, this reminds me of a song from Lil Peep. I was like, whoa, Luke, relax. It's copyright. I guess Lil Peep got it from here.
Lil Peep, what?
We know where Lil Peep gets his tunes from. He's a rapper.
Yeah, he's like, oh, I need to get some extra inspiration from those guys in the
YouTube
London session.
Yeah, there's a song from Lil Peep, Star Shopping. It has that exact same tune.
Yeah? Big made.
Yeah, buys are not going to happen.
Yeah, I'm looking for buys above 650, I think it is. What's the level again? Yeah, 640. And then below 312 or 475 once we start closing below it again. You know, no, don't know. So I think sells are still gonna go into play if we start closing below 75, 475. I think the trend is gonna continue, and most people, I think it should be good. Talking about. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the stream. You know the vibe. Trying to hit 4.4k today. Probably not gonna be it. For the goal, should hit it. 5k at the end of this month, and we have only a couple of days left. Jay pouring us out this morning. Well, it's better than this.
If it comes back now and breaks it slow, then it's good for sales.
But there's a range right now where you're in, so I think you want to be careful.
Yeah, but it's clean candles. Like I'm on the 15 and the wick fill. Like the thing is, buys and sells could work out if like they start breaking like 15 minutes. But if it like comes like words coming back up, if it doesn't wick back down, then it's not good for sales.
Yeah, you want to be careful with sells in this range, because if you look at the 4 hour, the 4 hour it hasn't broken the high nor the low yet, so there's no direction, and trying to take a buy or a sell to break out is going to be very, very delicate.
Thank you, Alex.
So now it's coming back.
It is what it is.
Yes.
The thing is, like there was a 1 hour wick fill to the low, and that could have played out if the 15-minute like made its top wick back into 550, broke its own low, and then it was good for the wick fill.
Yeah, for now
and
it's
that's
just
the thing. Now it's nothing. I mean, now
delicate
it's
situation,
ranged.
right, Master P?
Yes, it's delicate.
Delicate situation.
Yeah, because there's no direction. But if we break the 4 hour high, that might be some sort of direction to retrace further.
Yeah, makes sense.
Still, if you look at the wicks on the 15, it hasn't broken its high. Like it's only making lower lows.
Man, my eye hurts so much. Yo, Albano. Good morning, man. This one is pretty sick too, but it's really... It is what it is. Delicate situation, yeah. But the other guy, I watched it for a second, right? Yeah.
The other guy, who's the other guy?
There's 0 people.
Oh.
0. What's going on?
I don't know what kind of operations that dude's trying to run over there.
Like, what? I don't understand why it just doesn't join us.
In his Z or in the YT?
How do you get on the live stream? Oh, you're already on, man. You probably mean the Zoom.
Maybe he has a YouTube channel. Maybe that's why.
Yeah, but that's what I mean. There's 0.
For YouTube channel?
What?
In the YouTube, or you mean Zoom?
For what?
The other guy.
Wait, so
It's like you set up shop right next to the biggest competitor.
yeah, it's I don't know. But you see that in real life as well, because you see stores, you know, come into other stores at the same place.
Yeah, true.
Especially car dealerships.
Mm.
Can we fly? Or
Master, call the
Or not.
market. Call the market maker.
Markets. Ring, ring, ring. Hello, hello.
push? Tell them push.
Ricardo, your mic is off. Where's the music?
I'm here.
Where's the music? Oh, we're getting music. Let me turn up my music. Ooh, we're getting a new song. Is it Choo Choo or a different one?
No, a different one.
Okay.
You know Space Odyssey?
I know that one, but I haven't played it for a while.
Oh.
Live music, guys. Come on.
If you played that one, I can provide the vocals. I only know one verse.
All right, next week.
Okay, next week.
Here we go.
I'm going to make a prediction.
Cowboy things.
Don't take a trade based on my prediction.
Okay.
Gold's going to 1800 tonight.
Okay. Man did a call out.
The tunes gave him some enlightenment.
Can you hear that?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Of all the money that ever I've had, spent it in good company, and all the harm that ever I've done, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of wit to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. Of all the comrades that ever I've had, sorry for my going away. And all the sweethearts that ever I've loved would wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls unto my lot that I should rise, you should not. I'll gently rise and I'll softly call. Good night and joy be with you all. With you all. With you all.
Very
Awesome.
good.
Round
Thank
of
you,
applause.
thank you, man. Thank you. Choo choo.
Legend.
It's an old one, got a Goldie. It's an old.
Thank you,
That's
man.
an old. That's an old Scottish Irish tune.
Okay.
I like that.
I like it too. Like it.
I'm long gold from where it just broke above the 15-minute.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
As you were
Man's like, gold, go up.
I had a buy stop.
Okay.
Of the 10% of all the women in the YouTube channel are gonna go after Ricardo now.
I'll be rich off this gold trade.
Man called out 1800 before he started.
Yeah, it's like the rain dance.
Let's
See
go.
now. Where am I?
Najim.
Oh, someone's playing. Yo, Najim, man, Jessica. Yeah, thank you for playing that, Ricardo.
No worries.
Thank you. It was a lot of fun.
Have a look at gold. Have you got? Oh, you got it up there. Look at the third. Yeah, let's look at the support where you've got it marked there.
This one, gold.
Yeah, your support
Yeah.
at 1783 and a half.
Yep.
Very strong.
Yep.
I wanted to get in a bit earlier, but
On the 1 hour, it looks really clean.
I'm just going to close some of it. I'm up 7 pips.
Very nice. Gonna leave the restaurant.
Yeah, I won't. I don't think I'll.
Yeah.
Go hold it. Okay.
Yeah,
It'll
sure.
probably come back down again, but.
Oh, you at least, secured some profits.
Yeah, I'm just.
You just make sure you break even. You maybe take some off as well if you come back to break even. I think you should be
Off
good.
we go, GJ.
I took some.
Yeah,
off
because
7 pips, and let's see if that support holds.
GJ is just rejected this from this level.
And I'm in. So let's see what it does. If
From
I
where are
win,
you
I
in?
win. 5:30.
Don't look out with the calls, Frank, because everyone is gonna follow. Like it's no joke, bro.
I mean, it is a risky trade, 100%.
Are you
Yeah,
sure?
watch out with calling trades like that, bro. No joke.
Yeah.
Because people are gonna follow you, and people are gonna be like, "Oh, he's in a sell, so I'm gonna, it's just."
Just type it into the chat like I did.
Yeah. People are gonna follow now, and they're gonna be like, "Oh, must have not played out because you already said it's a risky trade." So just take it easy.
I'm looking at the 4-hour close. I mean, if it closes, you can test the new low over there.
Just 1 hour close where it is now. Next one is going to probably make a top wick and after come.
This- I mean, what is the most probable scenario on GJ? If you look at the big picture, it would be just to continue short for the rest of the London and New York.
The only thing I don't like is where it's made a top wick in the 4 hour. And that I did acknowledge. That's why it is risky. And but the 1 hour structure looks pretty good, even though it's a bit wicky in both sides.
Yeah, I don't like how 30 minutes closed.
I do.
I think the range is not big enough.
That too. But this reminds me an awful lot of like what was it, last week Friday or 2 weeks ago Friday, where the weekly broke the low on a Friday, and we were like, well, what's gonna happen? Is it gonna continue or retrace?
Ooh, I'm going to close that break even GJ for buys.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Yeah.
So now Frank has a great confluence. Jim closing his buys at break even. Frank is like, oh, perfect.
Yeah, close the right here.
Nah.
I mean, these two candles are closing in Frank's direction.
Continuation.
I do think it's going to wick higher up on this 1 hour. Or maybe not. I don't know.
Are you short, Frank?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's here.
We're melting, baby.
Yeah, if you look at the daily, and zoom out, there's a very good chance it's coming down to 148.72.
My TP is 454.
Yeah, that I was expecting before all this. Was expecting sells as well, but for me, what I want to see in sells, because there's the 30-minute support right here, I want to see things below, because there's some clean traffic down to here, or sells below here into this zone. Because this zone, this level, 500 level, is very strong. See, tap. This one tapped, faked out on it.
Yeah, but true. But now it's like I've really been looking at the volume also, and now like no volume came in pre-London, so the volume is coming in now, and you could expect a break of that. And if you look like on 15, those are clean candles. 30-minute, it's clean candles also. Like you could easily expect it to come at least to like 480, I would say, based on those candles and the structure it did. And like I said, at the end of the day, if I lose, I lose.
Based on the 1 hour, how close below that support, we may go back down to retest the low support down.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I mean, it's not, for looking at the trades I took this week, it's not the highest probability one. That's 100%. But there's still enough confluences for me to take it.
I have a question about a fib retracement. Maybe somebody can answer. Does it matter on a fib retracement if you're tracking that, if it Does it matter where the wick goes or where the body closes?
Depends how you track. I mean, I used to day trade with Fibs, and it's for me, it's finding consistency and how you put it. So if you put it to the wick, then always put it to the wick. If you put it to the body, then always do it to the body, because you want to be able to track your consistency. And if you're always changing it because of how it looks, then you won't be able to use them correctly. At least that's my opinion on it.
So Luke, if you look at gold on the 5 minute, and remember it was Monday when I'm not sure who it was, who said on a 5 minute, if you retrace 50%, your chances of going back the other direction are higher. Of course, he did say you had to hit a new high or a low, and we didn't. We actually, the price tapped out at the same low on gold. But do you see that retracement? All of those bars are ending at 50% on a fib scale, but the wicks are beyond 50%. So that's where I didn't know if that counted or not.
I got no idea. To be honest, I'm not a fib guy. I don't know. I know what the 50% now is and how deep it goes, but I don't know how to execute on fibs. So maybe Master P, you know something about fibs, right?
Yeah, but it's yeah, like what Frank said, you just want to have do the same thing over and over again. So if you draw it on the bodies, just keep drawing it on the bodies. If you find that doesn't work, then obviously adjust that to the wicks maybe.
But yeah, sorry to add on that. I think the wicks are better, because the wicks are actually like a part of the wick is also a candle on very long time frame. Like not maybe the whole thing, but
yeah, exactly.
It's still a wick. Like if you take the wicks on the 4 hours, the wicks are going to be like part of it is going to be candles on the 1 hour.
Yeah,
I don't know if that makes sense, but
I would consider the wicks too.
Look at his 5 minute on GJ. What's going on here?
Just messy.
Choo choo, Ricardo, choo choo. Can we hear choo choo?
Yeah.
I really want to hear. You really want to hear that song?
Yeah, choo choo, choo choo. We want choo choo. Guys, we're going back with choo choo.
Not liking this CJ anymore.
I think you should be careful, man.
Yeah, I know, but it's just I would have expected volume to kick in until now, and that's why also would have took the trade.
Got choo choo. Yes.
It's just not moving.
Well, it's London Open. Don't you want to wait and see?
Oh damn, son.
And I'm
oh.
Yeah, just play it. Just play it because of the people that just got.
Yeah, looking how it formed that bottom wick there.
Oh damn,
Broke
son.
the 4 hour high over here.
Damn.
Wow.
Yeah, go ahead, Ricardo. Go ahead. Do the choo choo song for the.
I'm just looking at. Hang on a second. I'm just looking at gold. I just got stopped out, and now it's moving up.
Oh wow.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Jim always comes in with the perfect timing.
Going to 17. It's going to 1788.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh damn.
I'm just going to wait for a pullback. See if I get a pullback and make another entry.
I think
it wicks down.
I think the choo choo song will make it pull back.
Love to see it wick down to 1785, but let's see. All right, hang on. I'm just going to put a buy limit.
What's this choo choo song? Did I miss it or something?
Holy.
Takes a while to tune. Hang on.
Oh well.
That move. crazy.
That's when I was saying I don't like this GJ trade anymore.
I told you this level is strong, 500, bro. Trust.
No, the thing is, I was looking. I mean, it's just like it closed under. So with the volume, like the volume that kicked in for buys, I was expecting it to then maybe break down. But yeah, I mean, looking at the 4 hour, I was saying I don't like where the top wick is, and that's exactly what it did.
I'm kind of pissed, man.
Why are you pissed, man? You should be happy, bro.
Bro, I had it pending last night, and then I said anything can happen overnight with spread, so I will take it off.
Yeah.
It was at 300 level, and I was waiting for it to come a little down on Frankfurt and then go up, but it didn't do anything, man.
It is what it is.
Yeah, man. Well,
Ricardo.
No trade is good as well.
Yeah, no trade is perfect.
It's still a trade that can still come in now. Like
if it comes now, I don't like the daily because the daily would reject it.
I'm just waiting on gold. I just want to see what happens here on.
Yeah. It's a bummer that you got stopped out.
Me?
No, Ricardo.
I closed 90%, and then I put it like a pip above, but I should have just kept it. See, that's the thing. See, that's. Oh, there's my phone. Hang on.
Yeah.
Colin. One second.
Yes.
Choo.
Yep.
Anybody feels confident enough to take a trade with a $500,000 account? Yeah, I'll take a trade with a $500,000 account. Doesn't mean that I'm gonna risk 2% though. I'll just
risk 0.01.
Exactly.
Guys, do you have the feeling this month is kind of like harder than the previous one?
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone has a lot of issues with this month, even Riku. So, very hard month. Very, very hard month.
Yeah, it's just because of that range. But I think next week is going to be a very easy week for sellers. That is.
At the same time, it's end of the month, right? So
yeah. But I don't pay attention to the end of the month or something like that. I look at the weekly and base my ideas off of there.
Damn, shit moving.
Is the highest time frame the weekly you look at?
No, like I even have the 3 months in the back of my head. But for me, the weekly is if weekly is going down, then I'm looking for sells. You know, like
I see. Okay.
I'm not gonna go against the weekly direction.
Of the previous weekly or the current weekly?
Both, a little bit of both. Mainly, so like if this week closes bearish, next week I'm gonna be very excited about sells. So I'm gonna anticipate sort of like similar market conditions that we saw 2 weeks ago, where we had that selling pullback. But then after that we started ranging, and that's where I gave back quite a bit of profits because I took too many trades in that range.
I see. Yeah.
Forex trade. April has been amazing for me. Almost up 250% this week alone. Man, you're over risking, and I don't think that's true. But if it's true, you're over risking, bro. You should be careful.
250% this month.
In 1 week. In this
1
week alone. Yeah.
Damn.
Full margin.
Yeah, full margin. Oh man. GJ. Rocket science.
And I was looking at buys in the beginning, but I was like, the 15 minutes was not giving me my confirmations. Like, okay, maybe not, and at the end.
Yeah, Frank, have a look at the 4 hour, and I think that'll give you some.
No, is what I said exactly. I said when I took those sales, I don't like what the 4 hours making its top wick. But yeah. I did my 4 hours base, like 1 hour close on the support. Like I would expect it to at least come back to and like fill the 1 hour wick. But I didn't know it was not the highest probability trade I took this week.
Yeah, the 4 hour, like I did that a lot too, and the 4 hour never broke its low, so there was no signs of those sells, even though you might have anticipated for the low to break. But yeah.
Look at price moving. Damn, that's crazy.
My TP would be hit.
Yeah, you got out. Why did you?
Yeah, because I didn't like the previous 1 hour how it closed.
Yeah.
So
if you were still in this, you would be flying.
it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yeah, did a nice fake out on the lower time frames.
Yo, ADA is dropping. A lot of people bought at like €1. Dropping right now.
What is that?
That's one.
Oh. What's the next coin I should buy? I got the XRP. Now I need to load up.
I'm in nothing right now. I got everything at BNB, but mostly everything. There's one thing I have like some stuff in someone else as well, but most of it is in BNB. But BNB is dropping a little bit, but I'm holding BNB for a long time because BNB is probably going to go further up and further up. So, but I'm using BNB just as a safe place to put it on. And then
BNB is basically cash, right?
What?
What's BNB?
BNB is a Binance coin.
Oh.
Yeah, you got USDTs.
It's basically cash, right?
What do you mean?
It's basically cash, or is it like something that you're invested in that moves up and down?
Yeah. But if I want to just hold money somewhere without movement, I'll just put in a USDT. Well, USDT moves, but like a lot less than normal.
Oh, finally gold is turning back down.
But yeah, I hope XRP continues to go lower and lower so I can average down into this position. Because this is...
the heck, GJ?
Yo, Ricardo, you ready?
Oh, wow.
Your mic is off.
I missed that, man.
New York.
What about it? Hey, isn't anybody going to jump in on
GJ?
On DJ?
No, I didn't.
And the next candle, when this candle closes and it breaks above and then goes to...
yeah, that's maybe. Well, I think now you need to close over 30 minutes.
Shit.
I was looking at buys once the 5-minute closed above 675, but it's a Friday and I'm not planning on trading today.
Oh damn, this is a pretty risky entry right here. Multiple rejection. Okay,
alright.
Based on rejection.
It's daily now.
Okay. Oh, makes sense, but I wouldn't really take a buy once the previous 30-minute low gets broken. But...
Oh, look at GJ, it's just going.
It's off.
My entry at 45 is looking good, but it got stopped.
Could be weak on the daily.
Can you play Choo Choo for the people that just
Oh,
for the people that just got fucked over? Oh, let me put
big time.
What
Man,
is this?
I was in for sells and got stopped out, so I just clicked buy really quick. But,
Oh, you did that? Savage.
Yeah, but I feel like I was counter trading, so I had two positions in. I just closed one and let the other one run a little bit more. But when the 15-minute closed with no wick, I basically secured. Still looking for another buy though. I overmanaged not even overmanaged. It did close out a wick, so.
wow.
There we go, Choo Choo.
Damn. GJ.
It's moving.
Oh my god.
It can come down, make its bottom wick, and have to keep pushing.
Rest in pieces for everyone that was in sales. Choo Choo incoming.
We're talking about news, but maybe the news just skyrocket that thing.
Heading for the station with my pack of my. This is for GJ. Heading for the station with the pack of my back. Tired of transportation in the back of a hack. Love to hear the rhythm of the clickety clack and hear the lonesome rhythm. See the smoke from the stack. Pile around with Democratic fellas named Max. Take me right back to the track. Go. Choo choo. Choo choo. Choo choo. Woo woo choo choo choo. Choo 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 boogie. Take me right back to the track. Jack, you reach your destination, but alas and alack, you need some compensation to get back in the black. And you take the morning paper from the top of the stack and read the situation from the front to the back. The only job that's open needs a guy with a knack. So put it right back in the rack. Jack, choo choo. Everybody, choo 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 boogie. Woo woo choo choo boogie. Choo choo. Choo boogie. Take me right back to the track, Jack. Wanna settle down beside the railroad track and live the life of Riley in a beaten down shack. So when I hear the whistle, I can peek through the crack and watch the train rolling as it's ball on the jack. Love to hear the rhythm of the clickety clack. Yeah, take me right back to the track, Jack. Choo choo. Choo choo choo. Woo woo choo boogie. Choo choo. Choo 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 boogie. Take me right back to the track one more time. Choo choo. Choo choo. Woo woo. Woo woo choo boogie. Choo choo. Choo 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 boogie. Take me right back to the track.
Choo choo. Thank you, man. Oh man.
Wow.
Choo choo.
Choo everybody.
Damn, that was good, Ricardo. That was great. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you so much.
Very nice.
Also, guys, if you enjoyed that, hit a like. You know, we had some good plays and GJ didn't really take it, but yeah, just hit that like. Helps everyone out. Thank you so much.
Exactly.
Leave a like for Choo Choo.
Don't forget to subscribe as well.
And turn on the bell notification while you're at it.
Yep. Where you going in that hot? Just click everything.
Yeah.
Triple threat that. Triple threat.
Marius, thank you for the donation. Choo choo. Choo choo.
Dude, I think next week we're gonna hit 5K.
Yeah, I think so, but people need to click the button then because we need 140 at least a day.
140. We need like 700.
You're right.
Oh,
Wait,
no, 140 today. Yeah, divided by.
So we're at 4,300 and let me check. Let me check. And 9 right now.
Yeah,
So,
we need 700 in 5 days. That's 140 a day.
Oh yeah.
We've got 400 people watching, guys. So make sure you tap the like button.
Yeah.
No, tap the subscribe button.
Click that button.
GG buys are gone.
Yep. At this point, they're gone.
Nah. If the 30-minute close is above support, In the next 30 minutes, makes the bottom wick, breaks the height, and it still buys.
Yeah, true. I think the confirmation was once the 4-hour broke the high in the second half at London Open. That was pretty good. If it was like a Wednesday or a Thursday, I would have taken that trade with a buy stop, but today is relaxing day.
Yeah, I only got in because I had it marked up for the 4-hour high. So the minute it broke, I just like did an instant buy really quick.
Oh, nice.
But it was still like against my bias, so I like wasn't really comfortable in it, even though it shot all the way up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but it made sense because the 4-hour respected the low, so the bias was pretty much bullish until it broke that low.
So basically, now the daily is retesting that daily support.
Yeah, pretty much.
If 4-hour close above that support, we may see some buys. But it could reject that zone right now in the daily and drop down. Has 13 hours to go. So,
I mean, this move is just pretty much daily wick form, and I think before going to the downside again, or at least closing under the weekly support.
Yeah, I think so too. And then Monday breaks this week daily bullish low to go down.
Choo choo. Choo 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 choo. Let's put the Tampani beat back on.
It is what it is.
Yep.
For somebody like you guys keep missing the one big cannon of the London session. I mean, the last couple of days we've been catching the move. Just today, nobody, at least besides Nick, like caught the move. At least a good buy direction.
Yeah, I'm still down for the night though. I took two chances at the sell because I had a resistance marked up. Didn't really play out my way.
I mean, those who are profits this week, well done.
Say that again?
Even today, those who had good trades this week, I mean, well done, because like there were moves, but they were not the easiest to catch, 100%.
No, definitely not. Definitely not. Definitely had that. Whatever your trading plan was, stick to it, and secure your profits.
Yeah.
Yeah, crypto dropping right now. Like most pairs are like falling.
It's over for crypto.
Sky's falling.
Yeah, everything is dropping.
That's my prediction. The bull run is over. Actually, I should ring my daughter and tell her. She was up $23,000. She reckons she put in $6,000, and her boyfriend put in a bunch more. But I said you should just at least take out your $6,000 and just let the rest run. And, whatever happens.
Yeah.
But
she left it.
Yeah, that was last week. I don't know if they've taken any out since then.
What's the pair called? What's the coin?
Oh, she's in a few. She's in ADA, in Polkadot, in what was the other one? Because I was in some of those as well. Litecoin, I think. Not sure about XRP.
Everything is dropping. No joke.
Yeah, I think it's done.
Well, maybe it's going to be a huge pullback.
Yeah, the bull run is done for now. Like the the bubble. It's going to. Look at that, 49,000. Yeah, so like the last time. See, when it hits 60,000, if you're in it, you think now's a good time to take profit, or you listen to people and they go, oh well, it's going to go to the moon. It's going to go to 100,000, and then it's going to go to a million. But that pie in the sky stuff.
Bitcoin.
You might get lucky.
Sorry, go ahead, Ricardo.
Yeah, you might get lucky, and and it goes to the moon. But it's like a lottery ticket. I mean, if you're in profit and you got huge profits, then don't be greedy. I mean, take some off the table.
Oh, they're putting higher taxes on it in the US, so that's why it's dropping. A lot of people are saying in the chat.
Yeah, that's what I was saying a while ago. So that the banks and the government aren't just going to let you go willy-nilly into Bitcoin and all those coins. But my Qcoin's still going up. Hang on, I sent you the wrong. I'm going to put it in the chat, the website.
Once I see structure on the 5 or 15 minute on GJ, like selling structure, I'm gonna sell it because I think this is the area where it can reject.
Same idea, Abdullah.
What?
Yeah.
I think you're right.
Yeah. If you look on the 1 hour, you can see it also. This is the area. Let me just see. Yeah,
Yes,
this is the area on the left side where this huge move came from.
Yeah.
And now this can just take the orders from you and go.
It's not. It doesn't have a top wick. That's the only thing. It's.
What do you mean?
On the 30-minute, it doesn't have a top wick.
Oh, yeah. I mean, on the 1 hour, if we go to the 1 hour look for a second.
Yes.
And then, yeah, this is the area which I mean, like from here, the move begun. And now we broke that structure, and this matches perfectly with the wicks. And I think this is the place where we could see sells.
Oh, nice.
I'm with you, but do you think it's not a bit too early? Like
I was looking for buys, but for buys I wanted to go a little deeper on 300 level on Frankfurt or London already. But now once it goes directly up on the daily, if you go to the daily, it would make sense to go down because this is the middle of the previous daily candle of the body.
Yeah, I'm with you. But looking at this 4 hour, like, do you not think it could like close maybe bullish, even maybe higher, and then get sells on the New York?
Yeah, I don't look really on where the 4 hour and stuff is.
Okay.
I mean, I understand what you mean, but if we look to the week, like especially on the 21st April, the 4 hour played everyone.
Yeah.
So that's why this week especially, I don't really trust GG at all.
I think this 4 hours is gonna be a huge week.
Yeah, it depends. Like this 30 minutes, I feel like how it closes. If it starts breaking above the high, then the 4 hour could be bullish, and next 4 hour could be bearish. And if this 30-minute like starts like closing bearish again back in the range, then I do think the 4 hour could be a big wick, and then the sales would start coming into play lower in New York.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
Oh yeah, and not that people understand wrong. I look at the candles, of course, but if it's not breaking structure, I don't look if 4 hour breaks 4 hour or 1 hour breaks 1 hour. I do that only on the daily or on the weekly, just for not like I don't want to confuse anyone.
That makes sense.
It is what it is. Is what it is. Thing like that for a second.
Do you see that chart? Like always, break and retesting the moving average at the same time as we support daily. We probably going to start dropping.
Yes, but I wouldn't expect a big move like that, Najim. I would just expect that it's breaking its own low and then it's all, because we are still on the last day of the week, and we.
Yeah, it's not going to happen today.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah. Oh, you are preparing to hold on the weekend?
No, just an idea. Like if I got some pips today, it's good.
Yeah, I think that's a really good idea, to be honest.
Guys,
Well, it's possible to leave a small runner over the weekend. Well, who knows?
yeah, if Monday candle starts with no bottom wick and goes bullish, guys, I'm telling you now, full margin sells.
Relax. We're gonna put down
relax.
The people that know me, they're
yeah, go ahead.
The people that know me, if Monday candle starts with no bottom wick, goes bullish, oh boy. Oh boy, I'm gonna provide half the liquidity for the sell. For the sells.
It's life savings in it.
I'll do half the liquidity for the pound on the selling side on Monday. You know, Forex market has $8 trillion of liquidity every day. I'll do 4 trillion in sells.
Yeah, it is what it is. Choo choo.
Choo choo.
Choo 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 choo. Maybe I could slide in the Zoom. Want to contribute too. Soon there will be a community, man. Next month, hopefully it's done. Next month, hopefully it's done. Choo choo. I think this is a pretty good pullback.
All looking good. Almost TP1.
AA asking if I can show what I would look, what I'd like to see next week for sells. Basically, I want to see the weekly opening up with no bottom wick and going up to create a high on Monday during Asia session, and then I want to see a resistance created pre-London for London to go down. That's basically all I'm looking for.
Copy. Manano. You show a chart. Yeah, Master Speak, can you show us a chart?
But I can't show you a chart. It hasn't happened yet.
Oh, okay.
How can I do that?
You know, make the candles yourself.
I can, yes, I can call my liquidity provider and ask him to print some.
Like this.
Yeah, okay. It's not that difficult. Just look at the weekly time frame and then look at the next candle. Picture that opening with like a gap down or gap up with no bottom wick going bullish. And then if the 4-hour creates a resistance, then it's going to go down. Maybe I can show an historical example. Let's take an example out of history.
Ricardo needs to make his choo-choo coin.
Wait, I have to say some stuff. I mean, I've been seeing comments. I mean, like, just be nice. I mean, first of all, like, it's, I mean, if, like, for me, it does affect, like, the comments, like, some people are showing, because, I mean, come here and tell the trades you taken, and tell your losses, and tell your wins. I mean, it does take, I mean, people will take loss and people will take wins. And I've never said I'm an expert or anything. And other thing is, if you look at the past week, all the trades yesterday and the day before and the day even before, I went exactly like I planned. I overmanaged them, but the trades were right on point. Yesterday, my entry was on my first impulsive move was Let me see. I'll look it back up.
Yeah,
It
he
was
killed it this week.
It was 460 or something like that. Once it broke the low, and that would have been TP, and my runner would have been amazing. I mean, it would not have taken out my runner. Like people like, oh, you're aggressive, you this and that. So yeah, maybe, I mean, I overmanaged 100%. I did mistakes this week. I'm not going to cap. My week isn't negative for now. I'm 1.7% down for this week. But hey, I'm here to learn. I wish everybody all love. And I mean, I'm not an expert. And if you don't want to listen to me, don't listen to me. But come on the stream and call your trades out, call your wins, call your losses, and after we'll talk about it.
Yeah.
Because it's easy to say, oh, you this and that. But come on here and just say the trades you're taking and talk about the wins, the losses, and we'll see after.
Yes.
Yeah, he made some good.
Yeah,
calls
just
this
don't
week.
worry about those comments too much, but also watch out with what you're calling out, because people are gonna follow what I said, and then
Yeah,
things
that's
like
true.
that are gonna
No,
happen.
it's true. It's true.
I don't mind
mean-
if you call, because normally, before all this YouTube thing, we used to, but that's how the gulag works.
Yeah, it affected me a bit, like, and I just wanted like good vibes and like just to make it clear, I'm not the best trader. I did some mistakes this week. I mean, the calls I did take, I mean, they actually worked out. I will manage, and today a loss. I mean, everybody will take a loss, and it is what it is.
Jack Carter, you've been asking this question for a week straight.
What is he
I
asking?
think. If on the 30-minute there was clean traffic, but the 15 it's choppy, would you trade it? I mean, I think you've personally asked me this question like for the whole 2 weeks, but that's okay. If there's clean traffic on the 30-minute and you get a confirmation on the 30-minute and there's volume, those 15 minutes you can ignore. So yes, I would probably trade it. And I'm not answering this again.
Hey, I don't trade GJ, but wasn't it just a few days ago we were all praising Frank for some massive monster trade that he called?
Yep.
I wasn't in on it, but I just remember everybody like legit. And he called a lower low on gold today at a high. Gold was at a high and he called it lower. And I was like, all right, I'm going to wait on that lower. And it played out. So
Man called out a fire trade last week.
Yeah.
But the only thing is that what happens with the people that follow, if you call out your trades constantly, and sometimes some trades are riskier than normal, and once you get on a small losing streak, the gulag is gonna go wild on you.
Yeah.
Sometimes you gotta take it easy, or take trades yourself if it's gonna be your own vision with a higher risk. Just trade it for yourself, and once you know that you got a high probability setup, just call it out. Do your thing. That's no worries.
That's true.
But no, it's like you're gonna sometimes burn yourself.
Yeah, that's true. You're totally right.
I like it. I like it that you call out the trades 100%, bro. 100%. But the gulag can't burn you if things like that happen,
I had that too
based
the
on
other week, remember?
Yeah, but based on just know what your risk is and know what your probabilities are, and then based on that, think about if you're gonna, call it out, yes or no.
Yeah, true. No, I did burn myself on this one, and it's true. I take the blame for that.
But people, don't forget, man, this man like Frank, last week, you're all praising him, so.
Thank you. No, I really do appreciate even Michelle, I think is her name, for saying that, because I mean, everybody, even celebrities, when you do read comments, it does affect you. Like, nobody wants to see negative stuff. And I really appreciate it, because I took a loss. It's not the same feeling as a winning, and I do appreciate the love some people showed me, even though some are still hating. Thank you, guys.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, calling out trades, it's really risky because nobody knows for sure. You're just doing what you know from experience, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I find when people don't call their trades, they're more successful than when they lay their plan out there. I don't know why, but laying your plan out there, it's hard to do, and it's
confidence is it's like gives an extra level of nervousness. Or how
right, and you feel responsible for it, and everybody wants everyone to win.
Yep.
And if we all got together and we all decided to go one way together, we might manipulate.
She's talking about manipulation right now.
But the likelihood of that ever happening is not very high. But you know, I always say that you have your bulls and your bears, and everybody can win if you just time it right.
Yo, super man, relax with them charts. Why send them in like 20 times at the same time?
And yeah, like we always say, like everybody trades differently. Everybody has different risk appetite too. And that's the thing also, like people have to acknowledge and like just bounce ideas also off of it. Like I am more an aggressive trader than Luke or me being Master P.
Yeah.
So
yeah. Too good. Oh, what a savage. This man actually took a sell. Yeah, super. He took a sell based on the retest on a daily time frame. Okay, hoping it's gonna play out. It makes a lot of sense. The only thing is that this candle out doesn't have a big wick, and that's where my downfall was for today. But it is what it is. But I think it might play out, yeah. There's a trend is still bearish, even though it closed without a wick. It's gonna take a little bit more time. Very nice. This one. Yeah. No, I'm looking. It's gonna be hard to see something in London right now without trading like higher time frames. Lower time frame is gonna be a little bit harder for the confirmation wise.
Gold is ranging, man.
Yeah, there was some Euro news, right?
Yeah, that was quite a while ago.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's quite a while ago, yeah. At 10 o'clock, there's some extra news. 10:30 is gonna be some some pound news, not GJ, pound news.
I lay too much back on my chair. I'm like lazy.
Can you please see Euro USD? Yeah, sure. Oh, damn, rocket science. Damn. Yeah, I think that could have been a very nice entry with the clean traffic to the left, continue moving further up. The only thing was is that there's news, so. But you're in this range right now. Pretty in range to see. And it's a pretty big range as well. I think you could trade inside it. There's not too much nasty stuff. It looks very... What pair do you mean? Like, what pair do you mean? Yeah, based on 9 o'clock, that could have been a very good buy on your USD. But again, you got the news, so it's all a bit dangerous, you know. I do think once you see a candle close against us, like against the bullish trend below like 800, you could continue down for the rest of the day, even though it's pushing up like this right now. Or if it closes below like 800 plus 800 or below, it's going to be pretty good, I think. Yeah, I saw that too, Phoenix. I saw the same thing. Look at this buy on DJ. I still have your chart, bro. Don't worry. It got deleted by Google moderators, so I got it. Don't worry. Google moderators are annoying.
Yeah, they've been deleting a lot of things.
Yeah.
Why is that? It's because now you're monetized? Like before it didn't happen.
Probably, I don't know, but this doesn't make sense why it did. Oh.
Maybe people send in their charts and Google is like, wait a minute, what the fuck are these?
Yeah, maybe
things?
because of, yeah.
On Binance, where can I see my entry price for
Very nice. Entry price you can't see, man.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Damn, I better remember where I entered then.
Very nice chart, David. Good job. Very nice buy. Congrats. Full TP, you got hit.
So I entered around 1.06, I guess. But if I can't see my entry price, how do I know how much it's worth?
No, you just if you're in Binance, right? If you
Yeah.
just go to wallet and you go to spot and you see your spot and then you see your
Oh, how
equity
much it's up.
value in BTC and then based on dollar as well or euro.
Oh, right. Where you have the fiat and spot balance. What's a spot? A spot is a contract for
But these were all previous lines and like from the past. So
cryptocurrencies aren't physical, right? No.
no. No.
But why do they have a spot contract then? Because spot is like gold, you know, gold is physical and we're trading the gold spot, which is the contract. So why do cryptocurrencies have spot?
Basically, you want to know what you own.
Of course.
Yeah, good luck.
Yeah, good luck, man.
Yeah. I put in like 15 euros in XRP. I didn't,
He's
just
gonna
to
be
get
rich.
Yes. That's the plan.
Oh man. Yeah, whoa, that was a voice crack right there. Looks pretty good. Pick the buy above this candle candle wick right here. Very nice. I think this should be a big profit level that where it's hanging right now because of this. But very nice, very nice, very nice. Mark says, look, if 30-minute closes below 149.830, I think we're good to go to be going down. Okay, take it if you want it.
So playing with what Ricardo was saying about crypto, it's funny because I was in the same crypto as his daughter until he mentioned that, and I just cashed out of everything and put it back into US dollar. But I almost have a feeling crypto usually drops on Friday before the weekend. People take out for the weekend, and based on everything going down, I'm expecting a little bit of a fire sale tomorrow. When Americans wake up and look at their crypto and start crying, they all like jumping.
When I fire sold. That was back in the days on Call of Duty, the fire sale.
Yeah, true. Oh wow, somebody took a sell on Dogecoin.
Pretty savage though. Gotta be honest. Pretty savage. If you took this, for real, pretty savage. Yo, Frankie, smile, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get something to eat.
Nice. Get me something to do, yeah?
Peace.
Alright. Take care, man.
Peace.
Hey Frank, why don't you tell me where gold's going now?
I don't look at gold. I heard you you said I called the low, but I don't think it's me. I don't even look at gold.
I think you were talking about me. I was looking for gold sells today.
Yeah, I mean, I don't touch gold.
The daily candle was going to have a little bit more of a downward wick. I thought it was you, Master P, and Frankie, but it might have been someone else.
Me, I am in sells gold.
Oh, got it. Okay. That's who it was. Sorry, Frank.
No problem.
I had just gotten on and I was like, okay, all right, I'm going to wait for that lower low. And then Ricardo jumps on with 1,800 and I'm like, whoa, wait a minute. So.
Hold up.
I mean, it's possible we can hit both sides. It's possible.
The only reason I'm in sells because daily closed back below the weekly zone. And this current daily candle retested that zone and it's rejecting down. So we're probably going to go down. If 4 hour go up and close above that weekly zone again, above it, then we'll be looking for buys.
I already looked at your chart, CBR, but Google moderators are deleting it.
You see the weekly candle could possibly go red.
Your mic is really quiet.
My mic?
Yes.
I was saying, do you see that the weekly candle on gold could possibly flip red?
Weekly, I think is trying to close below the weekly support to the left. That's what I can see in there. And in the daily close back below, that means like price doesn't want to go up, but if 4 hour close back up above again, so probably we're going to see maybe retest the high of the daily.
I think also once if the 4 hour starts closing but below 81, it's gonna go down. Then it's gonna start making lower lows, lower highs. Break structure. CBTC, okay. BTC USD. Oh damn! Since we were watching, it dropped another 2k. No, 1k. Right? Yeah. We watched it like once it was like 49 something. Jeez. Woo! Jeez. Yeah, Timpani beat. Let's get that beat back on. There we go. That's dropping. It's like, I don't mind. We're gonna go down. What is this? Probably previous lines of the past. Choo 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 choo. Man, I'm down for some good food. But I shouldn't. Otherwise, Dimitri is gonna be like, gotta be eating well. Anyways, yesterday I bought Magic Keys with your promo code. It's 5%, not 10%. Oh, wait, what? Really? One sec, let me check. What's the website called again? That's weird. I thought it was 10% off. Let me see. Let me check it out.
Oh, I like how this 1 hour closed in on gold for continuation down.
When someone uses my code, it will. Whoa, that's weird. Here it says 10% if you use my code. That's weird. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, I'll contact the team. And it's 5%, not 10%. That's. I'm gonna look at myself right now. Click my own link. Choo. Buy. Add to bag. Go to checkout. Redeem coupon. I think it was like 5 underscore. Huh? Yeah, it says 5% off. What is that? That's weird. Shouldn't be. Yeah, I'll get in contact. Ali, what's your risk reward ratio per trade? It's always above 1-to-1 at least. Most of the time it's just like 1-to-1, 1 to 1.5, maybe 1-to-2 sometimes. So. Gas prices, by the way, they skyrocketed again. Yo, master. Your mic is muted.
Oh, damn. How long has it been muted for?
Probably for a long time.
Yeah, yeah.
You see the gas prices, like
yeah, man.
petrol prices.
They skyrocketed here in the Netherlands.
Man, go
gas
down.
It's €1.90 per liter. Goddamn, costs more than to buy a drink.
It's not normal, man.
No.
Like a couple months ago, once that drop happened, it was like €1.45.
Oh, dude,
you
should have cheap.
You should have put a full tanker in and then sold it later. The good trade.
Yeah. My car, it uses the 98 one as well, not the Euro 95.
Oh,
It's
that's
the Euro
even more expensive.
Yeah, it's 190.
Yeah, I
for
use
normal.
that E10, so it's a little bit less expensive. It's bad for your car.
Yeah, it's bad.
But I don't mind. I have a Toyota, so it's not going to break anyways.
Yeah, for my engine, if I put some ethanol 10 in it, it's gonna not end well.
Why didn't you put race fuel in it?
Because that's gonna be like 250 a liter, 3 a liter.
Yeah.
Have you already tried it?
No, actually, I don't know where to get it.
When is turbo coming on?
Turbo? Well, first I want to swap out the engine.
Oh, man's doing an entire engine swap. Oh shit. K20.
Yeah, I'd like a K20. but I
600
think,
bhp. Fly.
my goal is to get around 350 400 horsepowers, because it weighs 850 kilos.
Bro, that would fly, man.
850 kilos with 400 horsepower, then you're flying. Yeah.
Bro, you absolutely. I had a friend of mine. He had one too, and he had like 280 like brake horsepower. No, wheel horsepower was it, I think. It was all on the front wheels, so sometimes he didn't have grip, but that thing was flying.
Yeah, I can imagine.
It's only like 280 horsepower, so it wasn't even a lot. But I've driven like I drove like once in an RS6 C6 Avant with the V10, and that was 700 bhp. Now I can tell you that Civic felt 10 times faster than that.
Oh damn!
Yeah. Well, the RS6 had like 700 brake horsepower.
Yeah, but it's heavier.
Yeah, it's like twice as heavy.
Can you change the motor, Master P?
Me, maybe if I learn fast enough, I might do it myself. But I'm probably gonna have a shop do it.
Cool.
That's expensive right there.
Yeah.
Can you not better buy one with already good engine in it?
I could, but my thing, the model I have now is much lighter. It has no electronics, no assists, so it's got no ABS, no power steering, which I really like. And
Yeah,
then,
okay. I need to blast your car once.
Yeah.
Robert, Masterpiece, something like Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. That's something for you, man. I see
Yeah.
you driving one of those.
Yeah, if when I make
Italiano. What?
Yeah, when I make my money, I'm gonna drive in a Giulia Quadrifoglio, 100%.
Nice. I'm actually a Lexus guy, like Lexus guy. I sold Lexus as well for years. So I'm a big Lexus guy, but there's just two cars that I would really like.
The LFA.
That's the dream. That's the dream. Since I was a kid, that's the dream. That's the dream. But my boss actually had Series number 1, the black one of the 500, but he crashed it once. But the whole side was fucked. Yeah.
Which one's the Series 1500 Lexus?
It's the same. It's just an LFA. It's a black one with beige interior.
Oh, that one, nice. That's pretty nice.
I never driven it though. No one's allowed to drive that car.
I can imagine.
But we did have a in one other dealership. There was a white one, and that was a Tokyo edition, I think it was. They had a black spoiler and stuff. It was very cool. But yeah, they're going for like 400, 500,000.
True.
It's mad. Insane. Yeah, but I would definitely drive like an M5 or a E63S. I like 4-door sedans that are just crazy fast.
True. I'd rather be seen in an Italian car than a German car.
Yeah, for me it's Japanese is king, but those two cars, those two Germans are sick.
Wait.
But the thing
There
about
was-
what?
No, nothing. I'm trying to find something really cool.
Yeah, M5CS, you know the vibe, Sarah. M5CS, that's sick. And then with those seats, with the Nürburgring logo on the seats, this is probably one of the sickest whips out there right now. Look at these seats, man, with the Nürburgring logo. That's sick. This is different levels right here. But these are expensive, man. These are overpriced. But they're fast. They're fast. Really fast. But those are serious machines that just go so fast. No, I would get it in green, man. Exactly how it is right here. Like this. Sick color. What are you ignoring? What am I ignoring, man? Hello, could you explain buys above that? What are your thought process? Above GJ, I wouldn't look for buys right now, to be honest with you. Because you're at this daily level, right here. I hope it's gonna go down and, you know, keep on dropping so we can get clean range. This entire clean range right here. For the next couple of weeks or months, who knows. That would be best situation. Just leave this entire area, 150 and just below. RS7, ooh, damn. Nah, no RS7 for me. Here in Miami, those cars are nothing. I don't care. I don't care what if a car is nothing or no. If I like the car, I like it. I don't care what someone else has or whatever.
Yeah, Miami, they're all about like Lamborghinis, McLarens, 800 plus horsepowers, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, but you know, one of those super sedans, you do stage 2 remap with downpipes and you're at 750, 800 bhp. So, yeah, Forex left the chat talking about cars now. I'm gonna stop. I think if I start talking about cars, I can't stop, so I need to stop. Oh, gold. Playing games with people. Look at those wicks.
Yeah, such a nasty range.
It's playing games right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, Forex feels ignored, yeah. When cars go into play, I'm just talking. Sorry, guys, sorry.
We'll like make some funny
comments. Look at the 30-minute close on how it broke the high and came back down.
Crap, what was I gonna say though? Oh yeah, like what I learned about aggro days, that made a lot of sense. I think I'm gonna start implementing where I might only paper trade or take lower risk on casual days, you know, like when we were in that range. But when there's an aggro day, then that's where I might risk like, you know, 3%, 4%, if my confidence is there.
So you're gonna risk like a lot in one day then?
On an aggro day, yeah, like
okay.
I might be able to put up like 4% risk on that day, not on a trade, because that made a lot of sense, and I was kind of already looking at that, but I never had, you know, a word for it, or
okay,
it's pretty interesting.
World Forum, the 50-minute head and shoulders pattern. Let's take a look. So it means like this, and this, right? What does it mean? Yeah.
Yes, it means that like
send in a chart. Oh, you want it a bit lower? Okay, sure. There we go. Hello, Uganda, from Uganda, Africa. Thank you, Luke. You inspire us that we can do, you know. Yeah, 100% we can do it. Perfect, man. Thank you. So one last question. Did you take out the back seats, Master?
Oh, me? Yeah, I took out the back seats.
Savage.
Proper race car.
Yeah, I need to put in a roll cage eventually.
Okay, so have any of y'all heard of Lucid Air?
Lucid
My
Air.
So my son was telling me it's a new car company led by an ex Tesla engineer, and they have a car coming out that's going to be over 1,000 horsepower, and I think it's an electric car. So he was having me look at those.
I think
expensive. Damn.
Yeah, I've heard of Lucid. They're competing against Tesla, aren't they?
1,080 horsepower, man. But the thing about these electric cars, it's all fun till you hit like 150 kilometers an hour, and then it's gonna go slower.
It looks very comfortable. Damn.
It looks sick though. It's better than the Tesla, to be honest with you. Sorry if a lot of Tesla fans are here, but I think the Tesla is boring.
Nah, I'm a Tesla guy. I didn't think Elon Musk. He's a legend. But these cars, they remind me more of the Jaguars. You know, the electric Jaguars that have that stripe on the back. The SUVs.
Yeah, they're bad. People got scammed by that company. No joke.
Real.
Yeah, man. Yeah, if you look in how much mileage they could do, people put a lot of like what's it called? There was like really big man, I lost the words, man. Friday then like in court stuff, you know.
Oh, they lost the court case.
Saturday, Sunday, what?
Then we got men like acoustics coming in, you know. How are you?
Good, man. Yourselves?
Yeah, pretty good, man. Pretty good. Whoa.
Any trades?
Yeah, I took one trade, but that was before the stream.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Anybody else? No.
Look in the chat.
Where?
What, the Zoom or YouTube?
Yeah, Zoom.
Well, it doesn't show me a lot, to be honest.
Oh, man, like Frank. Man, like Frank. He's like, I'm going ham on GJ for the last day. E63S, E63S is for girls. No. E63S is dope. The only thing you need to change on an E63S is the diffuser, because that's a bit boring. I can't speak today, man. This entire 2 weeks, I can't speak.
It's not a car for girls over there.
No, E63 is another car for girls. That's a G-Wagon. Yeah, it has like 4-wheel drive, and then the 4MATIC Plus system, you can put you can take out the front differential, and you only have rear-wheel drive at that moment. You can drift. You can't do that with an Audi RS7, so that's why an E63S or an M5 CS is better. Frank. What's your entry?
802.
Oh damn, that's pretty good. Frankie boy about to hit.
Don't say anything.
But they can read, the people that know. Damn, son. You same lot.
Yeah, 1%.
Target is 221.
Target is 672.
72. Men's. You guys watching SpaceX launch? No.
We're streaming.
Yeah. Oh damn, son! Man, like The tenner.
Oh, that's 10 pips.
Yeah, that's 10 pips right there. Savage. Frank, what would you do? What would you do if you go back to break even? Just leave it, right? Oh, you hit 10 pips already. Now we can talk about it, right?
No, let me secure it.
It was a savage. Yeah, you did it right there. Oh, you should be good. Yeah. Oh, that 1 minute closed like a boss.
Oh, very nice. GG is melting.
Yep.
Very good.
Yo, Jessica.
Huh?
How are you, man? Shit.
GG doing good.
One minute looking fire. Rejection. Next kind of breaks below. 5 minute logo broken.
Missed the buys, man.
Buys? What buys?
I was in buys, then I saw a candle that I didn't like, and I closed the break even, and then it flew up after that.
Frankie. Ooh, Frank! Man like Frank is close!
You closed YouTube?
What?
You closed YouTube?
No.
Oh.
It's still running.
Okay.
Oh, Frank. 1 pip away. Let's go. He's
Frank
gonna...
is aiming for 300.
Wait, it's 675, right?
72.
72.
Frank is in sales?
Yeah, I'm in sales. You know what? I'll say it.
Very nice. At the break, go to the 15 minutes?
Yeah.
No,
It's
30
not
minute,
the
right?
first one. No, not the first one. The second one, because it was under the range. Like my support, like small support. The
Oh,
small
yeah,
level I had.
Oh.
The blue one. The green one. Yeah.
I just wanted to hit now. But a 30-minute kid retrace and after like.
All right, guys, take care
Yeah,
and have a good weekend.
You too.
And good night and good day.
Yeah.
Hey, good night, Najim.
Take care, guys.
Yeah, say hello to no, I'm not gonna.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Where's Zoetermeer?
It's I know.
Close by where you are, right?
No.
No? Yeah, it is, sort of.
No.
What do you mean, no? You live
No,
in,
it's not close to me. Trust.
Zoetermeer.
I don't live near The Hague.
Yeah, but
Sell
you're
full
like,
margin right now. Sell it.
No, man. Hey, Koala,
watch out,
man.
watch
Koala. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, people are gonna follow that. Don't do that.
yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah, good
Morning,
man.
morning.
Morning.
No, it's yo, bro. No joke. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Happy Friday. Don't blow your account. Jesus. You guys believe today's the first day I hopped on the charts this week? Or the second?
Damn.
Didn't miss much, honestly.
Bro, I've been busy like crazy, man. Just tired.
Selling
still.
shoes.
Huh?
Selling shoes.
No, just with everything, work and outside life. It's been busy.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
I was parking all my money in crypto. I like this.
Damn.
Anyone on these sales?
Yeah, Master. Frank. Frankie, man.
Oh, I missed these or I missed the sales already. You got nice hanging man candle. And the engulfing.
Is Val's a city?
What?
Oh shit, that's far. Holy, that is like
what?
As far as it can be. This place I need to go to.
Where are you gonna go?
I don't even. Is it even a country? I can't even pronounce that. It's in Vals. It's like.
Oh yeah, it's in Limburg, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to hit me up, bro.
Oh hell yeah.
I come there.
I'm in Limburg.
Oh, you're in Limburg. Nice.
Yeah. Where are you going?
To Vals.
That's boring
Today.
over there, bro. Don't even waste your time.
Today.
Yeah. No, tomorrow.
We're gonna do that.
It's a little park. We're gonna visit someone.
Oh, man's gonna visit someone. We want to know more now.
Man's gonna be chopping, man. Tell him you're bringing a crazy American. They like that shit.
All right. We're gonna
I'll be on the
chop
way.
some wood.
I'll be on the way.
Whoa, what?
Yeah.
On here.
So.
Man's gonna be
once I'm-
seeing someone.
Yeah, it's an internship.
Oh, okay.
Internship.
I was about to say soon we're gonna see little Master P's walking around. Training gold.
Damn, I ain't take it that far.
My God.
It's Friday. GJ doesn't know what it wants to do yet, huh?
No. Yeah, but at least we got out of that rangy thing, you know.
I haven't even been able to look at the markets to see what we were doing. Oh, I see already. Okay. Makes sense.
Oh, this is sick. Damn. Level 3.
Yeah, I'm gonna actually. I'm not gonna say it. I'm just gonna do it. Thinking.
Yo, Frank, what are you gonna do?
Oh, me?
No,
Yeah,
Frank.
we got news right now.
Yeah,
Market PMI.
Yeah, 10:30. PMI.
Oh my goodness.
Better be looking out.
Yeah,
That's
boy.
the new saying.
Good looking out, cause I super see. Look, when you don't even test the charts, you get rusty. Forget to open up your Forex factory, and oh yeah, Jesus Christ, I'm not even about to trade today.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm not trading.
Oh, and the news is positive, and oh man.
And watch this drop now with this positive news.
Yeah, DJ's like that.
That would be the most GG thing.
Yeah, man. Absolutely. That would be GG in a nutshell.
Yeah.
I'm gonna play it safe. I'm just not gonna trade unless I see it break out. Okay.
Whoa.
That's gonna be a lot of gas. Goddamn.
What?
I gotta travel 420 kilometers. To this place.
That's gonna.
Oh, that's like across the Lithuania, man.
Yeah, for real, man. It's across the net. We're going on a cross-country trip over here.
Like literally.
Man, only to meet someone.
Yes, 70.
We go to the seaside, which is like 320 kilometers away, man.
Goddamn, it's like $75 of gas right there. That's okay.
It is what it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow some of Frank's signals next week. I'm gonna make that $75 right back.
Frank, did you get out?
Oh man, like Frank is still in. You see it on his face. He's like, I'm holding this shit.
Yeah, I just got in as well.
Oh, Frankie man, 72, right? 75. What's
Yeah,
Frankie man?
Let's fucking go!
Amazing.
Let's fucking go!
Man, like Frank, he's in this trade for how long?
Long,
I
too
told you.
long.
I told you it's gonna drop, man. I told you.
This is GG in a nutshell right there.
Man.
So I didn't call it out, but it's in the
It's
the
in
Zoom
it's in the
message.
chat. Yeah.
Exactly what said when I'm getting in. So those who were like giving me shit for my buys, stupid buys, I do know, but look, made money back and more. And it's dropping.
It's going to 300.
That's
Yeah, I'm
fucking
up.
more.
I'm up 10 pips right now.
Gonna mirror.
I'm up 10 pips right
Yeah.
now.
Let's get them horns out for a man like
You know what? I think I might just close out 10 pips and just call it a wonderful week.
Yeah.
Cause I fucking dropped a lot on this baby.
What a runner. This daily's going to be bearish.
Yeah, I was also looking at further possibilities when because this is basically a break and retest on the daily when it flips.
Yeah, but then we got Friday, guys. It's Friday.
I gotta say, you had some balls in this trade, Frank. You had some balls in this one.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That you were holding. I would have closed the break even. No fucking joke.
That's why my new rules. Bro.
New rules already playing in. Awesome.
Yes, sir.
But now you're break even for the month, right? For the week.
No, because I had loss from yesterday that was bigger than my wins actually.
Oh, okay. You risk 1%, right?
Yeah, I always risk 1%.
Oh, 72 is your 1-to-1 target.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's and the rule I should have added yesterday, I'm going to add, is like when I really do feel the trade is stupid and it could go back, I should close it.
Yeah.
Like today, I was saying it was stupid trade. Like once it started to make that bottom wick under 15 minutes, but I was like, this is my new rules. I'm win or lose, and I should have just closed it.
Well, everything is
Frank, you had buys?
Frank had sells. Frankie was full margin.
No,
sells.
I had buys before London Open, just before. No, sales, but it pushed up and stopped me out, and now it sells again.
Oh, I see.
But so yeah, I lost my trade, and like everybody was like, "Oh, this guy's FOMO, this guy's this guy's that." I was like, "Oh, I get it."
Or like it's like hold my beer.
Hold my beer.
People, man, have no appreciation, man.
Yep.
At all.
Zero.
People are never gonna learn.
Scavengers.
Exactly. For let's say a good 70%, take their YouTube away, they'll go bankrupt.
Yeah, 100%.
This is a dirty fact.
But they don't understand that the trades they take is their own responsibility for taking that trade.
Yep.
It is what it is.
Like that's the most mind-blowing thing, because they can follow anyone. They can follow Rajan. For example, Raja the other day lost 2 trades, and everyone's gonna say that Raja is shit. No, man, it's just part of the game.
Part of the vibe.
I mean, I'm not on Raja's level for one, and everybody's going to make mistakes.
It doesn't matter, man. Still, like, what about the beginning of the week? What about last week, man?
Yeah, last week you were killing.
The end of last week, beginning was not the greatest either.
Yeah, end of last week and this week, beginning.
This week would have been very good, but the overmanagement killed my profits.
Yeah, I just honestly, bro, I just get stopped out. Unless
That's
I really
what-
see from like, I don't close half of positions. Unless I really see like, okay, yeah, you gotta hurry up and close this because it's gonna stop you at 100%. Otherwise, I don't close full positions. Just
that's
because
my
the
new
simple
rule.
fact that you said from overmanaging your risk, it's gonna mess with you in the long term. When you.
Yeah, it's my new rule too.
Yeah, that's one thing I didn't take from this course.
It is good, but I feel like you really need to have a lot of experience, and that's the thing that he does have and that I don't have yet. So for now, I'm sticking to this rule. I'm working on it, and once I get very confident and better, then I'll start looking at my loss and seeing how I can decrease the losses.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like right here, I'm about to close, man. We got a doji candle. I think this is about to be a break and retest kind of a sort of thing. Yep. Exactly what I called out.
The thing is, yesterday I said I don't want to be in between 860 and 640, and yeah, that's where I'm definitely not trading.
Yeah, I'm just watching this 5-minute candle on the close.
Yeah, very nice. Good job,
man,
Frankie.
Oh man. That was a quick trade for me though. I don't like what 10 minutes ago. Opted in, got out.
For me, it was a
Yeah,
long
guys,
trade.
I'm gonna call it one. I need to do a lot of stuff today.
Yeah, me too.
So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. It was a lot of fun. And see you guys Monday morning again. Enjoy the weekend. Don't overtrade. Don't over risk. If you already took two trades, there's no need for you to watch or even look at New York session. Just leave it. Take your weekend. Just go. And yeah. Be careful, guys.
Yes,
Thank you for tuning
baby.
in.
See you Monday.
See you
Take care,
Monday
guys.
morning. Bye bye, guys.
Have a nice
Alright.
weekend.
Choo-choo.